Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to review the Lenovo V15 Gen 5 powered by the Intel Core 5120U processor. 8GB DDR5-5200 RAM. Storage 512GB SSD M.2 NVMe. The Lenovo V15 Gen 5 laptop tackles demanding applications and multitasking with ease. Dual memory slots mean fast loading times and no storage worries. Plus, elevate your productivity right at your fingertips. Just press the dedicated Copilot key to connect with AI-powered assistants in Windows 11 Pro. Laptop is ideal for budget-conscious businesses, balancing affordability and efficiency. It also features recycled materials in key components like power adapter and battery enclosure. On top of its killer performance, it also looks the part. Its sleek design ensures that it fits perfectly into any professional environment. Stay connected and productive. With a versatile array of ports, the Lenovo V15 Gen 5 laptop ensures seamless connectivity to other devices. Swiftly transfer data, link to an external display, and enjoy stable and secure wired or wireless internet connections. Memory up to 32GB, 2x DDR5 DIMM, 5200 MHz. Storage up to 1TB PCIe Gen 4 M.2 SSD, 2242. Plus, you'll love the HD camera quality for productive meetings that are crisp and clear. Battery 47 wear. Supports rapid charge with 65 watt or higher adapter, 60 minutes equals 80% capacity.